What if you could automatically identify refinance opportunities for your past borrowers without lifting a finger? Staying ahead of equity-driven opportunities can be the difference between winning a deal or losing it. With equity alerts, your CRM does the monitoring for you, so you're always reaching out at the right time. Let's walk through how to set this up in just a few steps. Navigate to the options page in the CRM. Locate the module with the title Equity Alerts and click the title. On the next page, review the pricing and click Enable Module. Configure your equity alerts in Settings. Navigate to the options page and locate the tool with the title Equity Alerts. Click the title. On the next page, you will find settings for selecting which user's records to include in the monitoring. To access the alert types configuration interface for the equity alerts, navigate to Options, Equity Alerts, Alert Types Configuration. Use the Add Alert Type button to add a new alert type. On the next interface, give the alert type a name. Decide if it should be active or not, and select the conditions that should be met to issue the alert. Back on the Equity Alerts interface, use the three-dot menu to edit or delete alert types. To access the Monitored Records interface for the equity alerts, navigate to Options, Equity Alerts, Monitored Records. Once equity alerts are live, your system continuously tracks borrower equity and highlights opportunities as they appear. You stay proactive, relevant, and one step ahead without extra manual work. If you're ready to stop guessing and start acting with precision, enable equity alerts and be in touch today.